Today I am going to show you a recipe of my own style, that is tapioca dosa. As it is Navaratri time, so everybody will vrit, so something avoiding rice I am trying to prepare. Hope everybody will enjoy this particular video. Yes, let us see what all ingredients we need for the particular tapioca dosa. First of all, for making the batter, tapioca dosa batter, we need half a kg of tapioca, half a kg of suji rava, then 1/2 of 1 coconut scraped. That is, the ratio is 1:1:1. Now, next step is we should remove the skin of this tapioca and cut it into small pieces, and along with this tapioca cut and the coconut, half coconut scraped, mix this rava and blend in a mixie fine paste, and add little salt also for that dosa, so that batter is ready. And you should prepare this batter at least half an hour before of preparing the dosa, because it has to settle to some extent. After that, as a side dish for this particular dosa, we are going to make this ginger coconut chutney. For this ginger coconut chutney, I have taken half coconut scraped, little salt, little ginger, then 6 to 7 green chilli, little asafoetida, and this Bengal gram. That is, in Malayalam we call it puttu kadale. This everything is to be grinded together and made into a paste. And for that purpose, we are going to season it. Little coconut oil, curry leaves, red chilli, and little mustard. First you have to grind it separately, then season it, so chutney is ready. Now the dosa batter is prepared. At least half an hour is over for the preparation and is kept as it is. The consistency should be like this. See? For chutney, we have to blend it in a mixie. This puttu kadale, this all cleaned. Red chilies, ginger, salt, and asafoetida. This everything should be grinded, adding little water. Now my pan as well as the oil is heated. Now we will add the mustard. Now the red chilies. Now the curry leaves. You can use any type of oil, but I am using here coconut oil. Now it's over. We will just add it to the chutney already grinded. Dosa plate is ready. Now we'll start laying dosas. You need not cover a lid, because you have to turn around, so both sides will get cooked properly. Now we'll just turn upside down. Those who want to put some ghee or coconut oil etc. can do it, but I am doing it plainly. This particular type tapioca dosa won't become very stiff. If you add rice, then it will become stiff. But as it is Vrat days, fasting days, because of Navaratri, I am using this rava. So it won't come that stiff. It will be a bit looser style. See, like this. I'll show you one more. Tapioca dosa is really tasty. In Kerala and all, we prepare everything like with tapioca. We prepare tapioca ishtu, tapioca thorin, tapioca this coconut curry, then tapioca plain dosa, tapioca finger chips, etc., etc., etc. out of tapiocas. Yes, now our tapioca dosa as well as ginger chutney is ready. This is one of the best dishes which can be taken as lunch or dinner, whatever it is. This combination with chutney and dosa is really good. So nice to be with you. Have a nice day. Thank you.